Welcome to Auto Master Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love high-performance machines, classic muscle cars, and modern engineering, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting muscle cars of the year, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This beast is back with a vengeance, bringing raw power, aggressive styling, and track-ready performance. Let's break down everything you need to know about the new Camaro Z28. The Camaro Z28 is known for its racing heritage, and Chevrolet has gone all out to make sure the 2025 model stays true to its legacy. Under the hood, this monster is expected to feature a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 engine, derived from the Corvette Z6. This powerhouse is expected to produce over 600 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Camaros ever built. The high-revving flat-plane crank V8 delivers an exhilarating driving experience, with a screaming exhaust note that will send chills down your spine. Performance is the heart and soul of the Z28, and Chevrolet has made sure it stands out. The car is designed with a focus on weight reduction, featuring lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to improve handling and agility. The aerodynamic upgrades, including a large rear wing, aggressive front splitter, and widened fenders, help enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for track performance. With advanced adaptive dampers, a stiffer chassis, and massive Brembo brakes, the Z28 is built to dominate corners and straightaways alike. The rear-wheel drive setup, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic, ensures that purists and modern enthusiasts alike get the driving experience they crave. Inside, the 2025 Camaro Z28 strikes a balance between race-ready minimalism and modern comfort. Expect lightweight bucket seats with Alcantara upholstery, a driver-focused cockpit, and a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. Chevrolet has also integrated the latest tech, including an advanced infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system for those moments when you're not listening to the roar of the V8. When it comes to competition, the Camaro Z28 is set to go head-to-head with the likes of the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and the Dodge Challenger SRT variants. But with its track-oriented setup and naturally aspirated power, it offers a unique driving experience that few muscle cars can match. Chevrolet is expected to keep the Z28 limited in production, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. If you're thinking of getting your hands on one, be ready for an exclusive and exhilarating ride. So, what do you think about the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28? Is this the ultimate modern muscle car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Master Cars for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.